Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set mic on Roblox PC so you can talk. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your microphone on Roblox for PC so you can use voice chat. First, meet the requirements and enable voice chat. Go to Roblox website, click the gear icons, then settings, and then account info, and verify your age by scanning a QR code, uploading your ID, and taking a selfie. You must be 13 or older to use voice chat. Next, enable microphone chat under Settings, and then Privacy, Content Maturity, and toggle the Use Microphone to Chat with Voice to On. Make sure you're using the correct Roblox app version. Apps from the Microsoft Store don't support voice chat, so downloading Roblox directly from the official website may be necessary. Finally, enter a game that supports voice chat. Look for the microphone icon and click it to mute or unmute your mic. If your mic works elsewhere but not in Roblox, check Windows Sound Settings under Recording Devices. Select your microphone, open Advanced, and uncheck all boxes under Exclusive Mode. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.